In this video, I will be talking about this crucial breakdown of very important support here on the Bitcoin chart. And I will be talking exactly about my price targets, about the levels where I personally think Bitcoin is going to fall all the way down towards, and much more. So make sure to watch this video till the end if you want to be finding out about where I personally think Bitcoin is heading towards next. Together with that, guys, can we slap it up towards 500 likes? Yesterday, we were about to smash up to 500 likes, but can we reach it today? Make sure to smash up the like button. It will be absolutely amazing if we can reach this target. But anyways, guys, let me start right off with talking about the imminent short term on Bitcoin. And let me first of all start off with looking at this downward sloping support line, right? So you can clearly see this downward sloping support line has been providing several times before in this trend Bitcoin support. However, this blue box over here was of course the range low, and I took a short from the 21k all the way down to the range low, the 19.8k, and like you can see, we reached that price target, and after seeing a little bit of an initial bounce back towards the upside, we are continuing the way once again, significantly towards the downside. And where is Bitcoin going to stop? That is going to be the big question. Is it going to be this downward sloping support line? Could be a possibility that Bitcoin is going to find at least some support on it. However, I will be approaching this range over here in the market. This previous W that we formed here in the beginning, halfway point of June, this is going to be the massive support we're currently going to look on in this trend. So you can clearly see huge significance, big correction getting formed, huge significant, big bounce getting formed from off. So this level is basically a level with high significance. And this is to be exact the 19.3k. And I already set up new long orders on the 19.8k. And how I basically will be trading this is not necessarily that I'm expecting a larger time frame and a big bounce back from here on. However, this is going to be a more shorter term trade, right? I'm going to be risking approximately 1.2% to gain an approximately 3.6%. It's going to be a very short term trade, entering on 19.3k and exiting already on 20k, because yeah, we're currently still significantly in a downtrend, and the downtrend is only going to flip back into a bull trend as soon as we do break above this range right here, right? And that is going to be important to look for. And actually, if we're going to look at the 4-hourly time frame right now, you can currently see we are trading below this crucial level of support, and we have not officially closed below this level yet. But as soon as we're going to close the 4-hourly candle below this purple range right here, yeah, we are losing a very important level of support, and I am personally still anticipating that Bitcoin is at least in somewhat of a range trend. So I would love to see Bitcoin, of course, bouncing back from off this region. Or is it the 19.3k I want to be seeing Bitcoin bouncing back from off that level, right? So it's going to be very important to look at. More importantly, we have been talking about the bear flag scenario here on the market. The bear flag, of course, clearly did broke down on this market, and right now we are seeing a continuation getting formed ever since. And yeah, what are the price target? The price target, of course, of this bear flag is $9,000. Do I think we're going to reach the $9,000? I do not think it's very likely to reach that $9,000 target. However, I do think there is a very big possibility that Bitcoin is going to form a lower low on this time frame. And meaning with a lower low, I can better take the daily time frame, because if we are in case going to form a lower low on this market, guys, and first of all, I want to say, I warned you guys for this bearish divergence we formed on the market, right? So we formed this lower high on the price action here, higher high on the RSI. We formed a significant bearish divergence, and due to that we came down massively. And right now what we can see is that the market is coming down even further on. But what I would like to see is actually the daily time frame going to set a lower low on the price action, confirm the lower low, set a higher low on the RSI, and that is going to be the signal where we could be opening massive long positions at on this market, because that is going to be the confirmation of the bullish divergence on the daily time frame, and that will be occur somewhat around the 18.5k in the price action. So yeah, there could be definitely some more downside to come still on this market, and if there's going to be more downside to come, I will be definitely benefit from it, because yes, the lower we're going to go right now, the more closer we're going to come towards that inevitable reversals place basically in this market. So that is going to be very important to look out for. But more importantly, also my last thing I want to be pointing out in the 4-hourly time frame, yeah, like I told you, the 19.3k is going to be a strong level of support. That's approximately this region right here. And also levels of support we could be looking at is 4-hour support. We've got like four candle close over there. It's approximately the $19,000 to provide some imminent short-term support, and of course the range low, the 17.5k. So there are many levels levels of support right now that we're going to be approaching. We're very close by the 19.3k here for me to enter my positions at. So I would love to get my positions filled up here. Hopefully I will be entered, because I personally think we could be seeing a very good short-term bounce back to 20k before then inevitably coming down furthermore, right? So that is what I'm currently expecting. More importantly, also looking at the weekly time frame, guys. I mean, is this a good time to be buying Bitcoin? Many people still keep on asking me this, and I will be saying, yeah, if you have a macro perspective on the market, it is for sure a good buying region. I personally think that, yes, the market can still come down a little bit more today or tomorrow, right? It can still fall down a little bit lower. However, we are currently at the baseline where the risk is very low for accumulation. And just think on where Bitcoin is going to stand in the next cycles, right? So there's so much more to come for Bitcoin. And this one should actually be March 2028. So there are so many more things to come here. And Bitcoin is a long-term investment, and these vertical lines are standing for all the halving events. And every single time we have an halving event, we tend to see exponential price rally, because there's basically a supply shock on the Bitcoin market. So guys, make sure to zoom out once in doubt. Bitcoin is a long-term investment, and I personally think if you're going to be here buying today and you're going to at least hold it for 4 years, you are going to be in a significant profit. So, and I think it's important to look at these kinds of things, right? So yeah, guys, this was already it for today's update video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I even forgot to say it at the beginning of the video, so it will be amazing if you're subscribing to the channel right now here. And of course, guys, smash up the like button. Let's go for 500 likes, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.